Google released Gemini 2.5 Pro models. This model is ranking number on the Arena leaderboard. If you check on the Arena leaderboard, it is ranking number 1. Also on the other AI leaderboard, also it is ranking number 1. If you check the IQ level of these models, this model have highest IQ level compared to all the other AI models, which is the 130 IQ level of Gemini 2.5 Pro model. We will see the demo later. First understand the model. So this is also thinking a reasoning model similar like other DeepSeek R1 models, and the OpenAI is the 4o models. This model also using the reinforcement learning and chain of thought prompting to make the model more smarter and more powerful to solve the more and more complex problems. If we check the performance wise, the Gemini is performing well on the each and every benchmark compared to the OpenAI, Claude, Grok and the DeepSeek R1 models. On the science, mathematics and code editing, almost on the every benchmark. In Gemini 2.5 models enhance the reasoning. Because of that, it is performing well compared to all the other AI models in the reasoning and knowledge, in the science and mathematics as well. This model is specially designed to do the advanced coding and solve the more and more complex problems. The best part of this model is it can generate the 1 million tokens in the context window. Means in the chat window, it can generate the 1 million tokens, which is very high compared to all the other AI models. Other models can generate 100k or 200k tokens in the context window. Let's see the demo. We can use this model by using this gemini.google.com. Now from here we can select the model and we can use this model. The other way to use this model is Google AI Studio. Here we can do the lot of configuration changes. First we can select the model from here. Now we can generate the 1 million token from here, from this model. And we increase the temperature, will give the more creative response, and if we decrease this temperature, it will give the specific output. We can structure the output function callings. We can also enable the Google search. We can also do some advanced setting as well. Let's do the demo. First is create a snake game. Hit on the run button. Then it will start thinking. If we want to see the what model is thinking, we can see from here. I will close this. After thinking, it will generate the output. So Gemini created this snake game. UI is not that much better, but it is good. Next, we will create a to-do list web application with a beautiful interface and more functionalities. We need a code in the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Gemini created this beautiful to-do list web applications. From here, we can add the task like coding, Python, meditation. Once the task is completed, we can mark the task completed. We can see in the completed section. From here also we can edit the task like Python 123. We can delete the task. The best thing about this model, if I refresh or reopen this website, then also I can see the same task again because the data is storing in our local system. Next, create a 3D realistic file simulator game where I can control the plane and generate all the code in the single HTML file. Gemini created this flight simulator game. UI is not that much good, but I can control the plane by using the arrows. Next is a create 3D realistic galaxy and generate all the code in the single HTML file. Gemini created this galaxy. I didn't expect that Gemini can create this level of beautiful galaxy. This galaxy have millions of stars. In this way, you can also create a website, game and simulator by using Gemini 2.5 Pro models. And this model is completely free.